People wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So the Commonwealth Games are currently taking place in Birmingham, England, and we have quite a few athletes over there representing us. You know, not only in track and fields, but also cricket, netball, you name it, right? However, some of our top athletes withdrawn from the Commonwealth Games. Shericka Jackson, Shelley and Fraser Price, Natasha Morrison, as well as Stephanie and McPherson. You know, they withdrawn from the Commonwealth Games. You know, let me say something, you know, because I saw some Jamaicans are saying that Jamaica should boycott the Commonwealth Games. We should have balls like Barbados. But Barbados is at the Commonwealth Game. Barbados severs ties with the Queen. The Queen is no longer head of state, so Barbados is now a republic. But they are still in the Commonwealth because the Commonwealth is an organization. So they are at the Commonwealth Games, okay? Yeah, man, same so. Now, Shericka Jackson and Natasha Morrison are entered to contest the 100 meters this afternoon at the Lignano International Challengers Meet in Italy. Hope I pronounces this word correctly. Lignano, something of that nature. And they will face off against Dafne Schippers of the Netherlands and fellow Jamaicans, Shakori Wallace, Kashika Cameron, and Crystal Slowly. So stay tuned for that race. I guess the big names will be Shericka Jackson versus Dafne Schippers. Okay? Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. What good.